So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions from chapter number 12, Heron's formula. So let us start with the first question. In triangle ABC, it is given that base is equals to 12 centimeter and height is equals to 5 centimeter and its area is dash. So we know that area of triangle is given by half into base into height and base is 12, so we will substitute 12 here, we'll substitute 5 here. Okay, so what is the answer? 30. 30 centimeters square. So correct option?
Option B.
Option B, right? Okay, so now we are moving toward the next question. The lengths of three sides of a triangle are 20 centimeter, 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. The area of the triangle is dash. So first we will take A, B, C, right? Now we will find the semi perimeter. सबको add करो देखो 20, 16, 12. We are getting 48. So 48 by 2,
24.
24. So 24 is the value of S, right? So now by Heron's formula, area of triangle is given by the formula root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So we'll substitute the value of S, A, B, C. चलो substitute कर दिए. So 24 into 4 into 8 into 12. This is 6 into 4 and this is 4. This is 2 into 2 into 2, here 2 into 6. Otherwise we can write in this way. Okay, right. So एक 6 और एक 2 और एक 4 और एक 4 कॉम बाहर आ जाएगा. 6 into 4 into 4, that is 16 into 6, 96. So the correct option is A. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we are moving toward question number 3. Each side of an equilateral triangle measure 8 centimeter. The area of the triangle is. What is the formula of area of equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 4 is square.
Very good. Root 3 by 4 a square or side square. And side is given 8, तो ये 8 square हो जाएगा. And 8 square is 64. 64 we can cancel it by 4. So we are getting 16 root 3. 16 root 3 centimeter square. So the correct option. Oh, sorry. So the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right? So now we are moving toward question number 4. The base of an isosceles triangle is 8 centimeter and each of its equal sides measure 6 centimeter. The area of the triangle is dash. So यहाँ पे दो equal sides means 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter और third side is 8 centimeter. So we will find first semi perimeter. 6 plus 6 plus 8, 20 by 2,
Yeah.
10. So semi perimeter आ गया 10. Now we'll write the formula for Heron's formula. So root over, okay, root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So substitute all the values. So what we are going to get? 10 into 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. Right? After this, what we will do? We will split 10 as 2 into 5, then 4 into 4 into 2. So यहाँ पे देखो 2 दो बार है और 4 भी दो बार है. सिर्फ 5 के लिए कोई पेयर नहीं है. So what we are going to get? 2 into 4 into root 5, that is 8 root 5. So this is the final answer. So correct option is option B, right? So now we are moving toward the next question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 6 centimeter and each of its equal sides is 5 centimeter. ठीक है? The height of the triangle. देखो ध्यान से एक रफ फिगर बना रहा हूँ मैं. So this is given 6 and this is given 5 and this is given 5 and we have to find this height. Okay, h, right? तो सबसे पहले हम लोग area of triangle find करेंगे. So what is the sum of all the three sides?
5.
Sides 5 plus 5 plus 16 by 2 is 8.
3.
So semi-perimeter is 8. Now we'll write the formula for the formula of Heron's formula. So root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now substitute all the values. So 8 into 3 into 3 into 2. राइट सो 3 यहाँ पे पेयर में 8 को भी हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. सो 2 का भी 2 पेयर हो गया. सो वी आर गेटिंग 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 दैट इज 12 centimeter square area. Now we know that the area is equals to half into base into height. So area is 16, base is 6 and height we have to find. So half into 6 into height. So ये देखो ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा and what is h, right? So we will get 12 is equals to 3 into h. So h is equals to 4 centimeter. So the correct option is C, right? So now we are moving toward question number 6. Each of the two equal sides of an isosceles right triangle is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter long. Its area is, देखो एक रफ डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ मैं. ये isosceles right triangle है. Okay, so these two sides are equal, 10 and 10. Now see, this is height and this is base. So the base and the height of the triangle is same, that is 10 centimeter, right? So thus we can write area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Both are 10. So we are going to get 5 into 10, that is 50 centimeter square. And the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 7. Each side of an equilateral triangle is 10 centimeter long. The height of the triangle is dash. So height का मैंने एक formula बताया था, height of equilateral triangle. What is the formula? Root 3 upon 2 a, right? Root 3 upon 2 side, and side is given 10. So 10 2 से cancel होगा. So what we are going to get 5 root 3, right? And the correct option is B. Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 8. The height of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter. Its area is. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? What we will do? We will find side by using height. Then we will find the area. चलो सबसे पहले height of an equilateral triangle. Just now I told you formula. What is the formula?
Root 3 by 4a.
Right, root 3 by 2a or root 3 by 2 into side. And this is equals to 6 centimeter. So 6 into 2, 12 हो जाएगा. So side will be equals to 12 upon root 3. ठीक है, 12 upon root 3 आएगा. एक मिनट रुको, ये कैसे है बता रहा हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे बताता हूँ. 12 upon root 3. So what we will do? We will rationalize. We will rationalize the denominator. So if you rationalize, you will get 12 by 3 into root 3. So यहाँ पे देखो 12 हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 3 के साथ में. So we are getting 4 root 3 centimeter. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is the area of equilateral triangle? Formula?
Root 3 by 4a square.
Very good. Root 3 by 4 a square or side square. Side we got 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? What is the square of 4 root 3? 4 का स्क्वायर 16 हो जाएगा, root 3 का स्क्वायर 3 हो जाएगा. So 16 into 3, 48. Now 48 you can cancel by 4, you will get 12. So 12 root 3 centimeter square is the final answer, and the correct option is A. Now we are moving towards question number 9. The lengths of the three sides of a triangular field are 40 meter, 24 meter and 32 meter respectively. The area of the triangle is dash. So सबसे पहले हम लोग इसको A ले लेंगे, B और C. Now add all these numbers. 64, 96. 96 by 2, 48. 48 meter. Okay, so by Heron's formula, the formula is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we'll substitute all the values of all the values of all these parameters S, A, B, C. Now see 48 into 8 into 24 into 16. 48 को हम लोग 24 इंटू 2 लिख सकते हैं और 8 को वैसे ही रखेंगे. इसको 8 इंटू 48 इनको 16 इंटू 2 लिख दिए. 8 इंटू 24 इंटू 8 इंटू 2 लिख दो इसको. राइट. नाउ 24 भी 2 बार आ गया, 8 भी 2 बार आ गया और 2 भी 2 बार आ गया. सो इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 24 इंटू 2 इंटू 8. Right? If you multiply 8 into 2, 16 into 24, it is 384. Without calculating, how I identify the value? देखो सबके एंड प्लेस में 0 दिया हुआ है, केवल एक ही के एंड यूनिट प्लेस में 4 दिया हुआ है. और अगर हम लोग 24 और 16 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो यूनिट प्लेस में 4 ही आएगा. सो 384 मीटर स्क्वायर. विदाउट मल्टीप्लाइंग आई टोल्ड द आंसर. So the correct option is C bit. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we are moving to the 10th question. The sides of triangle are in the ratio 5 is to 12 is to 13 and its perimeter is 150 centimeter. The area of the triangle is dash. So first of all, using the ratio we will find the sides. Okay. So let the sides be 5x, 12x and 13x and the perimeter is given, that the sum of all sides. So that is 5x plus 12x plus 13x. It is 30x. That is equals to 150. Okay, 30x is equals to 150. So what is the value of x? 5. Okay, x is equals to 5. So the sides are 25, 60, 65. अब इसको A ले लेंगे, इसको B और इसको C. राइट. सो यहाँ पे पेरीमीटर 150 है. व्हाट इज सेमी पेरीमीटर? 75. ठीक है, 75 सेंटीमीटर इज द सेमी पेरीमीटर. तो S इज इक्वल्स टू 75. नाउ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू राइट. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑल द वैल्यूज. 75 into 50 into 15 into 10. 75 we can write 15 into 3 15 into 5 और इसको हम लोग 5 into 10 लिखेंगे. देखो सब पेयर में हो गया. 15 भी पेयर में है, 5 भी पेयर में है और 10 भी पेयर में है. सो वी कैन राइट 15 into 5 into 10. So 15 into 5 is 75 and into 10 is 750 centimeter square. And the correct option is option B. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 11. The lengths of the three sides of the triangle are 30 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter respectively. The length of the altitude of the triangle corresponding to the smallest side. तो smallest side यहाँ पे 18 है. So first हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will find the area of triangle. So area of triangle के लिए A, B और C ले लेंगे. Now the sum of these two, 18 plus 24, 42 plus 30, 72, 72 by 2, 36, right, 36. So this is the semi-perimeter. Now we'll write the Heron's formula. Now substitute all the values. 36 into 6 into 12 into 18, right. 36 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 12 into 3 क्योंकि ऑलरेडी 12 है और 18 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 6 into 3. नाउ से 12 भी पेयर में है और 3 भी पेयर में है, राइट. और एक मिनट, एक कुछ छूट गया, रुक जाओ. 36 इंटू एक 6 छूट गया ना, इंटू 6. एक मिनट. सी 36 ये हो गया और 12 है एंड दिस इज 18 एंड वन मोर 6, राइट. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट 12 into 3 into 6. 12 into 3 into 6 is 216. Now this is the area of triangle and now we have to take the base 18 centimeter क्योंकि is with respect to 18 we have to find the altitude. So we are going to use the formula half into base into height and that is equals to 216. Now base is 18, so we'll substitute in place of base 18. So height will be, देखो यहाँ पे मैं 18 सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिया, so height will be 216 into 2 upon 18, right? और ये 216 18 से कैंसिल हो रहा है, we are getting 12, so 12 into 2 is 24, and the final the correct option is option A, that is 24, right? This is very good question. Now we are moving toward question number 12. The base of an isosceles triangle is 16 centimeter and its area is 48 centimeter square. The perimeter of the triangle is, wonderful question. See, देखो diagram एक बार देख लो. This is the isosceles triangle and the base is given 16 centimeter. So this is base, and we know that in isosceles triangle when we draw the altitude it bisects the base. तो ये दोनों 8 8 हो जाएगा, 8 8, right? Now the area is also given 48 centimeter. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले ये altitude निकालेंगे, px, right? So let triangle PQR be an isosceles triangle and px is perpendicular to QR and area of triangle is given 48 centimeter square, and we know that the area of triangle is half into base into height, so half into QR into px, and the value of QR is given 16, तो px हो जाएगा वही h, px को हम लोग h ले रहे हैं, so ये h हो जाएगा 48 into 2, that is 96 upon 16, and we will get 6 centimeter. Okay, so now we will use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of PQ. So if you use Pythagoras theorem, what you will get in this triangle?
8 square is equals to 6 square is equal to hypotenuse.
PQ square is equals to 8 square plus 6 square, right? That is QX square plus PX square. So PQ square, by using Pythagoras theorem, we are getting PQ square is equals to QX square plus PX square. तो PQ हो जाएगा इसका square root, and then now this is 8 and this is 6, so 8 root over 8 square plus 6 square, that is 64 plus 36, and 64 plus 36 is 100. What is root over 100? 10, right? So ध्यान से देखो ये दोनों हम लोग को 10 10 मिल गया, because this is an isosceles triangle, so this is 10, this is 10 and this is 16. So what is the perimeter? 10 plus 10 plus 16, and that is equals to 36 centimeter, right? And the correct option is B, right? So now we are moving toward question number 13. The area of an equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter square. Its perimeter is, what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? Formula क्या है perimeter का?
Root 3.
No, perimeter. Area of, देखो perimeter of equilateral triangle है 3 into side, ठीक है? So area से हम लोग side निकालेंगे पहले. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square, right? And this is equals to 36 root 3. So ये root 3 cancel हो जाएगा, and side square will be equals to 36 into 4, and that is equals to 144. So the square root of 144 is equals to 12 centimeter. Now we are going to find perimeter, that is 3 into side. 3 into 12. What is 3 into 12?
36.
36 centimeters. So the correct option is option A, right? So now we are moving toward question number 14. Each of the equal sides of an equilateral triangle is 13 centimeter and its base is 12 centimeter. So the area of the triangle. So similar question already कर चुके हैं. So 13 plus 24. It is 50. So 50 by 2 is 25. So semi perimeter 25 निकल गया. Now we'll write the Heron's formula. Root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. ये रूट का सिंबल है, राइट? और पूरा ब्रैकेट लगा हुआ है, देखो. अब ठीक है. So now substitute the values. So what we are going to get, 25 into 25 minus 13, 25 minus 13, 25 minus 24. So this will become 12, this also will become 12, and this is 1. सो 25 को हम लोग 5 इंटू 5 लिख सकते हैं और दो 12 ऑलरेडी है, सो दोनों पेयर में हो गया अभी. सो इफ वी अप्लाई स्क्वायर रूट वी विल गेट 5 इंटू 12. सो व्हाट इज द फाइनल आंसर? 60 centimeter square, and the final option is C bit. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 15. The base of a right triangle is 48 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 50 centimeter. The area of the triangle. देखो एक रफ फिगर बता रहा हूँ मैं, ध्यान से देखो. So this is the base and it is given 48 centimeter and this is 50 centimeter. We need to find the area of triangle. तो ये वाला साइड निकालेंगे तब हाइट निकल जाएगा. So how will you find this side? Right, by Pythagoras theorem. तो एक रफ फिगर बना लिया हम लोग. So in triangle PQR, right angle at Q and PQ is perpendicular to QR, and we are going to find the value of PQ. So it is equals to root over PR square minus QR square. And this is 50 and this is 48. So 50 square minus 48 square, 2500 minus 2304. ये दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 196 आ रहा है, and the square root of 196 is 14. Right. So we got this as 14 and already it is given 48. So now we are using half into base into height formula. Right. So half into 48 into 14. 48 को हम लोग कैंसिल करेंगे 2 के साथ में. So 24 into 14. अब देखो यहाँ पर भी मैं बिना मल्टीप्लाई किए कैसे करूँगा. 4 4. सो यूनिट प्लेस में 6 आएगा. सो एक ही प्लेस में यहाँ पर यूनिट प्लेस में 6. सो दैट मीन्स द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 16. The area of an equilateral triangle is 81 root 3 centimeters square. Its height is dash. So first we will find side by using the formula root 3 upon 4 a square. Okay. So root 3 upon 4 a square is equals to 81 root 3. So root 3 cancel and side square is equals to 81 into 4. 81 का square root 9 हो जाएगा और इसका square root 2 हो जाएगा. So 9 into 2 that is 18. So we got the side. Now what is the formula of height?
Root 3 by 2 a square.
Right. Root 3 by 2 into a, not a square. So root 3 by 2 into side. Side is 18. So now 18 we can cancel it by 2. So what we are going to get? 9. So final answer is 9 root 3. And which option is the correct one? Option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 17. Find the height corresponding to the longest side of the triangle whose sides are 42 centimeter, 34 centimeter, 20 centimeter. So which is the longest side here?
42 centimeters.
42. तो सिमिलर क्वेश्चन हम लोग अभी किए थे. तो हम लोग एरिया निकालने के बाद विल यूज हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. राइट. सो फर्स्ट विल टेक ए, बी एंड सी. नाउ ऐड ऑल these numbers 42, 34, 76, 96 by 2, 48. Right. So now write the Heron's formula. Now substitute all the values. So 48 minus 42, 48 minus 34, 48 minus 20. So this will become 6 and this will become 14 and this will become 28. Right. So 48 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 4 into 2 into 6. 6 ऑलरेडी एक है, इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दो और इसको लिखेंगे हम लोग 7 into 2 and we will write 7 into 4, this one. So we are going to get this one. So सब पेयर में देखो 6 भी पेयर में है, 7 भी पेयर में है और 2 भी है and 4 is also in pair. So when we apply square root, only one number will be left, that is 4 into 2 into 6 into 7. 8 into 6 is 48. 48 into 7, 336 centimeters square. So we got the area of triangle and this is equals to half into base into height, and base we are going to take the longest side, that is 42. ठीक है. Now this is 42. So height हो जाएगा 336 into 2 by 42. So 42 we can cancel by this. So we are going to get 8. 42 into 8, 336 hota hai. So final answer is 16 centimeter, and the correct option is. So now we are moving towards question number 18. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 42 centimeter, and its base is 1.5 times each of the equal sides. So find the length of each side of the triangle. So first we are going to take let the equal side be A. ठीक है, तो उसका बेस कितना हो जाएगा 1/2 is equals to 3/2, right? 1/2 is equals to 3/2. So let the equal side be A centimeter. So base of the triangle will be equals to 3/2 into A. Now what is the perimeter? Sum of all the sides, A plus 3/2A is equals to 42, right? And इसका एक बार कैलकुलेशन में यहाँ पे समझा दे रहा हूँ. This is 2A plus 3/2A. Okay, if you take LCM, you will get 4A plus 3A, that is 7A. Okay, 7A by 2, and this is equals to 42 is given 42. So यहाँ तक आ गए हम लोग. 7A by 2 is equals to 42. देखो ध्यान से 7 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So what is A? 6 into 2, 12, right? So we are going to get 12 centimeter. So which is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B, right. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32 centimeter. The ratio of the equal sides to its base is 3:2. Find the area of the triangle. So the ratio of the equal sides to its base is given 3:2. So 3 जो है वो equal sides के में है और ये base में. So we can include, if we include one more side, so we can write 3:2. This is clear?
Yes.
Because these two are equal. Now let the three sides be 3x, 3x and 2x, and the perimeter is given 32 centimeter. So 3x plus 3x plus 2x is equals to 32 centimeter. That is 8x is equals to 32. What is the value of x? 4 centimeter. तो देखो sides क्या क्या आ गया, 12, 12, 8, right? So now we are going to find the perimeter, semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter इसको divide by 2 कर लो, 16, right? Now write the Heron's formula. Substitute all the corresponding values. Now 16 into 4 into 4 into 8, right? 16 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 4 into 4, and this we can write 2 into 2 into 2. So all are in pair except 2. So 4 into 4 into 2 into root 2. So we are going to get 32 root 2 centimeter square, and the correct option is B. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 20. The perimeter of triangle is 50 centimeter. One side of the triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the smallest side, and the third side is 6 centimeter less than twice the smallest side. So and perimeter is given 50. तो smallest side को हम लोग x ले लेंगे, right? Smallest side is x, and what will be this side? 4 centimeter longer than smallest side, मतलब x plus 4. This side is x plus 4, and the third side is 6 centimeter less, means minus 6, twice the smallest, 2x. So we will get 2x minus 6. ये समझ में आ गया? Perimeter is given 50. Let the smallest side be x. तो other two sides हो जाएगा x plus 4 and 2x minus 6. And the perimeter is given 50. तो sum of all these three sides is equals to 50. अभी ये three sides कितना आ रहा है देखो, 2x plus 2x, 4x minus 2 is equals to 50. So minus 2 shift to this side, it will become plus 2. So 52, 4x is equals to 52. So what is the value of x? 13. Now the sides are, ध्यान से देखो sides क्या क्या हो जाएगा, 13, 13 plus 4 17, 26 minus 6 20, 13 17 20. So A, B, C and semi perimeter is 25. राइट, सबको ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है, पेरीमीटर ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है 50, तो 25 हो जाएगा. नाउ राइट द हेरन्स फार्मूला, सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑल द वैल्यूज. नाउ 25 into 12 into 8 into 5. Okay, so 25 we can write 5 into 5, 12 we can write 3 into 4 and 8 we can write 4 into 2 and 5. सो 5 भी पेयर में है और 4 भी पेयर में है, बाकी सारे नंबर्स पेयर में नहीं है. सो ओनली 5 and 4 we can take out of the square root and what will be left inside the root? 3, 2, 5. So final answer is 20 root 30 and the correct option is option D, right? So this is the last question of today's session. In the next session we will do MCQ questions based on coordinate geometry. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.